Hello friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app and today we learn about B2B credit note. B2B credit note is a document issued by a business to another business to correct an invoice error or to provide a refund for returned goods or services, basically adjusting the original amount owed. So to create a B2B credit note, click on Add New. Fill in all the details. The fields that are marked in red are the mandatory ones, so make sure you do not miss filling upon these details. Alright, the address, shipping, billing address, city, state, postcode, country, all the details are required here. GST code, this is very important. GST number. As of now, we are just randomly filling these details. You be cautious while filling all these. Now, once all the details above are filled, we'll scroll down and we'll find items information here. So now here you can add the products, the items. Now, there is no limit to it. You can add as many as items you want. As of now, for the sample thing, let's take some 3-4 items. Alright, so now we have added all the credit note details. We have added the items information. Now, once all of this is done, you can mention your terms and conditions here. Like based on your business module, there could be some terms and conditions. You can mention it here. If not, you can leave it blank and click on Save. See, GST code we have not provided. So, yeah, you have successfully added the credit note. Alright, so this is the credit note Mr. Yash Jain we just created. Now let's see if you want to delete this credit note. So you can just simply click on this bin icon and it will be deleted. It's deleted. Alright, now if you want to make some changes into this credit note, you can click on this pan icon and this page will appear. Now let's say you want to make some changes in the postcode. So make the changes here, scroll down and click on Save. Alright, this is done. Now, if you just want to view the invoice information, you will find it here. Invoice details, billing address, items information, all the details are mentioned here. Now, you can download this invoice by clicking on this icon. If you wish to duplicate the invoice, click on this first icon and it will be duplicated. Now this icon is the same that we just explored, the edit pen. It will bring you back to this page and you can make the changes. Again, let's say you want to make the changes in the postcode, you can make it, or it could be anything, right? It could be GST code, country. You want to make any changes, just edit it right here and again click on Save. Alright, so once all of this is done, you can export the B2B credit note in the Excel or CSV form, whichever way you feel you want it, you can do it. Let's say we want this credit note in CSV. So we'll click on CSV and it will be automatically downloaded and saved to your desktop. So yeah, that's how you can successfully create the B2B credit notes. Hope this helps. Thank you.